how to sell funds on Etoro. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sell stocks or funds on Etoro. So in order to do this procedure, you'll have to make sure that you have enough funds and that you have already linked your bank account or any sort of debit card, credit card, whatsoever. Now then, to begin with the withdrawal process or to sell the stocks, you'll have to go ahead and log in into your Etoro account. Due to some security concerns, I am unable to record the video or the app does not allow screen recorder, so I'm unable to show you the procedure. So all you need to do is just follow the instruction as guided. Now all you need to do is, first of all, you'll have to go to your profile, and that's going to be located at the top left hand side corner of your screen. And once you've done that, you need to go ahead and select the asset that you actually want to sell, then enter in the exact amount that you wish to sell. So once you've done with that, go ahead and select the confirmation and all that information, then tap on the position you wish to close, and on the new screen tap close trade at the bottom, and then you'll be notified with the statement that you've successfully sold funds or stocks on Etoro. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.